Stars. Yeah. But not really.
This is our T-Swizzle matchup. We hope you guys enjoy.
Nice to meet you, where you been? I can show you incredible things. Magic, madness, heaven sent. Saw you there and I thought, oh my God, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. The game I wanna play. I wish you would come back. Wish I never held the phone like I did, and I wish you knew that I'll never forget you as long as I live, and I wish you were right here, right now. We'll never go out. I wish you would. Midnight, come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive could end in burning flames or parasites. Pretty lights fade into view. It's been a while since I have even heard from you. I should just tell you to leave, cause I know exactly where it leads, but I watch us go around and round each time. Cause we all know we're red wood scared. It's way too far. Hurry, we get her. Take me home. Just take me home. Just take me home. Just take me home, home, home. You got that James Dean daydream look in your eye. I got that red lip classic thing that you like. When we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. Screaming, crying, perfect storm. I can make all the tables turn. Rose garden filled with thorns. Keep you second guessing like, oh my God, who is she? I get drunk on jealousy. She'll come back each time you leave. Cause darling, I'm a nightmare just like a daydream. I wish I was in the So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. Tell me when it's over and how it's worth the name. This mad love makes you come running. Stand back where you stood. I wish you would.